Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Jesus, and now I'm gonna show you my dog Aruna. Hey Aruna, come here. Sit. Aruna, look at the camera. Look at the camera, Aruna. Smile. Nah. Right here. This is a porch light. This is my mother's car. This is the blue truck. That's Teresa's house. This is Alejandra's house. This is the neighbor's house. Now we're gonna go back in. Now I'm gonna open up this. Right here, this is Wubbzy. He's in this. He's old, but something. I'm not trying to bother him. Anyway, right here, this is a swing. There's a red baby swing. That's the counter we used to have, but it's broken. It's all broken up. And here, those are the those are for the stuff for my garden. That's the blue recycle and the gray garbage. I'm gonna take a look inside. Okay, right here, this is a garage. Okay, put that. This is a garage, and it's got beehives a lot. I see beehive and those are the ornaments, Christmas stuff. No, let's go back. I shouldn't go inside. I had to just quickly. I'm afraid that I don't want to get in trouble. Perfect. I think in here and more thing. This is the tomato where my mom picks tomatoes so they can peel off the I don't know what they're called. So those are the flowers. That's the door where mom goes, but I don't go inside through her door. Okay. I think that's all. Oh, this is a barbecue. My old bike and my sister's old bike's full of spider web. This is a door. That's the door where we keep the dogs closed. Okay, guys. I think my battery's going down. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this. Hope you see. Have a nice day.